Hey. You have to wait till we take off.
Dear crew, passenger boarding completed.
What?
Where are we going?
To Bangkok.
Bangkok. So you know YouTube video, right? Nobody's watching me because I do the video because I'm trying to plan. So Daddy, where's my backpack?
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your first officer speaking.
You
My
already
name is
left.
Philip Zohi, and I will be your pilot flying for this sector.
What?
On behalf of the Commander, Captain Puzo and Myanmar Airways International, I could now to welcome you all aboard flight AM 333 from Yangon to Bangkok Sunabo International Airport. Today we will be climbing to an altitude of 33,000 feet, and our flight to Bangkok will take approximately 1 hour and 5 minutes. In carrying your friendly cabin crew led by Basa, Miss
So
Yay to Shake, and our team will do everything to make the flight as comfortable as possible. The air weather is forecast to be cloudy, and our destination weather is fine as of now. Just before our descent, I'll get back to you with the latest weather in Bangkok. We are just about ready for departure at this time. We are awaiting the completion of the last formalities, and we should be on our way shortly. So in the meantime, please sit back, relax, and enjoy our sincere hospitality. It is a pleasure to have you on board. Thank you. Cheers, everyone.
At the place, I think just
Okay.
Yes. That's what. Hey.
Speak loudly.
So I'm making a YouTube video, so the place always
It's okay.
yes. The last one. Into the plane and how do we I'm waiting to take off and that would be left, okay? So I'm heading to Bangkok and you know what I was saying? Because I find the cartoon. What was that doing? I don't know.
You happy?
Yes.
You feel sad?
No.
You feel scared?
No.
You feel bored?
Nope.
Okay.
Because I was like
You good?
Yes. No matter. That is asking me some question. In the bank also I would say good.
What?
You know what I would do? I would say good morning, my neighbors. Guys, you probably think I will see that, but I would say good morning, my neighbors. No, video. Just video.
Huh?
Take a video.
Okay.
So, you know what I'm thinking about because I always say good morning, my neighbors. So now I'm making a video and we'll come back to the video. So I'm talking about this one. So, and now I'm at the plane. So good in the plane. Perfect. So I can just play some games. So I have the camera. So I can actually wear my hat. So now I will go to a zoo. So I'm not very sure I'll go to the zoo, but I think I will go to somewhere. So I'm waiting just to go. Okay. Waiting for this. So the two cameras. I met with actually with a camera and the phone. So I think I will unplug. Good. I'll be taking a video. It is actually good and it's more good than I think. So we will go 10 days. Okay, so I'm waiting for because sometimes people are so getting in their seat because they have some passengers. So I'm going to Bangkok first. So this is the perfect time. So I will go to Bangkok. So in the Qatar, I think Bangkok as a lady one. So I see Bangkok as a lady one. So I'm going to lady one, okay? I'm going to lady one. So because Bangkok is lady one, that's why I'm going to Thailand. Thailand's lady one. Going to lady one. That's what I'm good. So
You good?
lady one, yes. So I'm going to lady one.
You are shy?
No.
You're shy to talk?
No, because taking too long. So but so I'm almost go to this. So I must go to the airport. So I'm going to the airport and I'll go to the airplane. So we have to wait. Just wait and concentrate. No. watching on TV, like if you are watching on TV or your phone, you can subscribe. So I'm gonna get it. If you are watching from the TV, it's like. But if you are watching from your phone, this video is subscribe. Okay, so now here's my toys.